In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Instagram account on Whop. By the end, your Instagram will be securely linked to your Whop profile, which helps prove ownership and builds trust with your audience. First, sign into your Whop account. Use a reliable browser and make sure you're on the official Whop website. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, head to Settings, then choose Connected Accounts. You'll typically find settings by clicking your profile avatar or menu icon. Connected Accounts is where all your social links live, and it's where we'll add Instagram. Now, add Instagram by selecting the Add button next to Instagram. This tells Whop you want to verify control of that profile. A pop-up will appear, asking for your Instagram URL. Paste your full Instagram profile link here, then click Add. If you're not sure how to get your link, on the Instagram app you can open your profile, tap the menu or share icon, and choose Copy Profile URL. On desktop, just copy it from your browser's address bar. Make sure it's your exact profile and that it matches the username you want to connect. Whop will generate a unique verification code just for you. Click the copy icon to copy it exactly. Don't change anything in the code. Every character matters. Open Instagram and go to your profile. We'll temporarily place the code in your bio so Whop can confirm you control the account. Tap Edit Profile, find the bio or description field, and paste the code. It can go anywhere in the bio, and you can keep your existing text around it if you like. Just make sure the full code is visible. Save your changes so it's live on your profile. If your account is private, consider making it public for a moment so Whop can see the bio. Switch back to Whop and click Verify. Whop will scan your Instagram bio for that exact code. This usually takes a few seconds. If it doesn't verify right away, refresh your Instagram profile to ensure the bio updated. Double check that the URL you added to Whop is correct, and confirm the code in your bio matches perfectly. Once verification is complete, your Instagram account will show as connected on Whop. At this point, you can go back to Instagram and remove the code from your bio. Your connection stays intact. And that's it. You've successfully verified your Instagram account on Whop. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, be sure to keep your profiles up to date for a seamless experience.